was estimated at 10.2 million tons and includes 4.9 million tons of common wheat.
Firstly, I would like to thank Simit and especially Amir Dababat for giving me this opportunity to organize the 6th International Serial Cyst Nematode in Agadir and for the first time in Africa. So the objectives of this meeting are to share more information about the distribution of serial cyst nematode and root lesion nematode in different parts of the world, to benefit from the experience of each other on how to control root lesion nematode and serial cyst nematode in different parts of the world, and finally to make connection for future collaboration with other international institutions.
I am very pleased to organize the 6th International Serial Nematodes Symposium in Agadir, Morocco. I would like to thank all the donors for supporting this symposium. The objective of this symposium to be in Agadir is to support the young nematologists working on serial cyst nematode and serial nematode in general to tackle the disease and to make also better communication with other known scientists from around the world. The soil-borne disease is really big, demanding, and it's difficult to work with. And by gathering in such symposium, we are trying to find better solutions, how to improve wheat and how to increase yield by tackling diseases, and to find better control options by using resistance varieties to the soil-borne diseases.
And basically, if we're talking about food, the future of food production, we're talking about people growing crops on 1 and 2 hectares.
I'm here I've been invited by the nematologists and plant pathologists of Morocco to talk about the problems affecting the region, especially on wheat. And when you talk about wheat and food production in northern Africa, you're talking about one of the critical areas of the world, an area of the world that's highly affected by water, by populations of people, by soil degradation. This meeting here that's being organized together with Morocco scientists and CIMMYT scientists is extremely important, because if we're going to feed future generations of our children, our grandchildren, we have to increase food production in the region, and we have to do it quickly, and it has to be done here in the region. It cannot be imported. We have to do something about the problems affecting the wheat crop in this region, and I think the scientists in Morocco and other areas of northern Africa can solve this problem in the future. They need support from the governments, they need funding, but we have solutions and they have to be implemented, and we have some research to do to make sure that the implementation of these technologies is proper for the farmers or the growers of the region to feed future generations of our children's and our children's children. And I'm very happy to be here. It's been a very good meeting, a very excellent scientific work being done in North Africa on the soil ecosystem, on the nematodes that are affecting the roots of the crop. This is called the unseen enemy. These are nematodes, little worms that most people don't even know exist, but they are having a devastating effect on our crops, on our yield, and basically on our ability to feed ourselves properly now and in the future.
Both of the speakers this morning. We truly appreciate the wisdom that has been presented and all the experience. And I'm very, very pleased to have been invited here to participate in the International Serial Nematodes Symposium. It is a symposium regarding the worldwide importance of nematodes affecting wheat and barley. And these nematodes are to be found globally. We have so many common problems in each of our nations, and our goal is to understand and to describe the biology of those nematodes, but also to determine how they can best be managed economically by our farmers. And our farmers face the same problems in each of our countries. I will be talking tomorrow about cereal cyst nematodes and root lesion nematodes, which are some of the highlighted nematode species that are affecting grains here in Morocco, as well as in my country, the United States of America. So this is a great opportunity. We try to meet every couple of years to discuss and to debate the problems that we're each having and to develop common methods for researching these nematodes to try to come up with the best possible answers for the farmers in each of our countries.
Les céréales pour le Maroc, c'est vraiment un secteur très important. Donc nous avons presque 5 millions d'hectares de céréales avec une production autour donc de 60 à 100 millions de quintaux. Nous avons quelques années donc une autonomie, mais on apporte quelquefois. Mais pour la question du nématode des céréales, ça ne pose pas beaucoup de problèmes pour le Maroc. Mais ce symposium peut donc nous faire donc une occasion pour un peu donc faire donc une anticipation pour ne pas tomber dans les problèmes de nématodes comme on a tombé les nématodes surtout pour les tomates dans la région d'Agadir parce qu'on a intensifié, on a fait la monoculture et on a tombé sur des problèmes de nématodes. On espère que ce symposium-là va nous éviter vraiment de tomber dans les mêmes problèmes pour les céréales, surtout dans les régions céréalières au Maroc, donc le Cès, le Tadlej, Chaouia et d'autres régions. On espère vraiment que ce symposium-là nous indique le chemin pour ne pas tomber dans ces problèmes-là de maladies et de catastrophes de maladies, surtout les nématodes qui causent beaucoup de problèmes pour les tomates. Et on espère que dans l'avenir, vraiment, on prend toutes les précautions nécessaires pour ne pas avoir de problèmes pour des céréales, des nématodes.